Sumentro sa Defense at Maritime Security Cooperation ang huling pagpupulong ni na Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at Indian Ambassador to the Philippines, Shambo Kumaran. Sa meeting na ito na iparating ng India ang kagustuhan nilang mag-supply ng 7 advanced light helicopters sa Philippine Coast Guard. Sa panayam ng CNN Philippines sa Indian Ambassador, ibinahagi niya ang ilang mga detalye sa chopper deal.
These are India-built helicopters by Hindustan Aeronautics, which is one of the world's largest aerospace companies. These are helicopters that are used in India by our Coast Guard and our Navy for a variety of roles. Of course, search and rescue, humanitarian assistance and disaster relief, and to basically monitor what is happening on the coast.
Will this be through aid, loan, or procurement at reasonable prices?
This is a concessional loan, a soft loan with very favorable terms and an extended repayment period. Well, we are hoping that we can conclude these discussions shortly. The examination of the helicopters by the Philippine Coast Guard and the DOTR.
Inaabangan din kung kailan ang unang delivery ng BrahMos supersonic missile na in-order ng Pilipinas noong 2022. Una nang sinabi ni dating Defense Chief Delfin Lorenzana na ang 375 million peso missile deal ay para palakasin ang firepower ng Philippine Navy at palakasin ang counter-attack capabilities ng Pilipinas.
We are broadly on track. I'm not sure there's going to be exactly next month, but we are broadly on track. Capability that is for the Philippines to decide in terms of how it is to be deployed. But it is a defensive capability which is essential in the current regional scenario.
India is now getting more vocal when it comes to calling out aggressive actions in the South China Sea or for us in the West Philippine Sea. What prompted this move?
Countries have a responsibility to behave in a manner that contributes to stability, and larger countries have a larger responsibility.
Sa huli, nananatiling bukas ang alok ng India para sa isang credit line para sa defense equipment procurement ng Pilipinas, pero hindi pa raw ito ginagamit ng bansa. Nakatakdaring magpulong ang defense officials ng Pilipinas at India sa Disyembre. India ang may ika-4 na pinakamalakas na militar o sandatahang lakas sa buong mundo. Tristan Nodalo, CNN Philippines.